Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this candy cane eye look, then just keep on watching. We're gonna get started. So today's look, I'm gonna use Blends Bunny Cosmetics. We're gonna do like a candy cane theme. So first thing I'm gonna do is use my P. Louise base and put that all over my lid. After we put the base on, we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god! Interruptions! I'm gonna go in with this maroon color first and put that in the crease. I'm gonna blend it a little. For the next color, I'm gonna go ahead and use this red color right here and put it over that. I'm just gonna grab a clean brush and blend it out. Just like that. Oh my god, my dog. I'm gonna grab more of that maroon color and then blend it towards the red. What?
I just came to get my baby.
Oh my gosh. That's my child. He's taking care of a baby himself. You want to show everybody?
Yeah.
That's his baby with a diaper. For the next part, I'm going to go ahead and grab this white and put that on my brow bone. Christmassy vibes, okay guys? Yep. That's my man sleeping back there. He's snoring. So if you hear him snoring, sorry. For the next part, I'm going to go ahead, we're going to use Vaseline and a Q-tip, and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so it should be looking like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye really quick and I'll come back. I'm going to use P. Louise base in 0, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I got the white base on. We're gonna go in with Wet n Wild's face paint, and we're gonna use this white and this red right here, and we're gonna make like a candy cane liner. Wish me luck, cause yeah, I fucking suck at liners. Okay, I changed my mind for the white. We're gonna use this one. I decided not to use the other one. It's not as white as I thought, so I'm gonna use this one instead. Okay, so I think this is good enough for me. Okay, I'm back. So I did the other eye, and I finished my liner. Looks like that. I'm gonna go in with this red from Wet n Wild and make the candy cane lines. So yeah. It's gonna be very hard because they're tiny little lines. Okay, guys? Okay guys, so this is how it's looking like, and you can see that I messed up down here. It went over, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. Alright, so now that we got that done, I'm gonna go ahead and make a smoked out liner right here with the same color of the maroon and the red. cane.
Yeah, I love candy cane. Did you know what? Oh, I forgot to tell you.
Sorry about that, my kids keep interrupting. I'm gonna add the black right on top and smoke it out. I'm just gonna clean up under this area. Okay, after I cleaned it up, I'm gonna do another candy cane liner right here. Now I'm gonna make a little candy cane in here. I'm gonna fix my under eye really quick. The eyeshadow went on my concealer, so let me fix that. Now that I've got that done, I'm just gonna put the red and the maroon and the red under my eye. Okay, I'm gonna put in my contacts really quick. The ones I'm using is from BI, and these ones are in Himalaya Gray. Trying to get my life situated here. I have a miss. You guys are gonna ask which blush this is because it's really like colorful. I only did it for this look. I don't wear blush like this, but it's from ColourPop and it looks like this. And this one is called Cheerio. Cheerio. Now for the lashes, we're gonna use Tailored Minx eyelashes. The box is dirty, okay? And then these ones are in Full of It. I'm just gonna use Morphe's Black Mascara. We're also gonna use white mascara on the bottom lash, and this one's from ColourPop, and it's called Little White Lie. I'm gonna put white liner in here, and it's called Exit from ColourPop. For the lip, I'm gonna put ColourPop's cream liner in Joyride. This is the lip liner, and then for the lipstick, I'm gonna use, this is dirty, but it's Juvia's Place lipstick, matte lipstick in Lulu. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And so sorry for all the interruptions here with my kids and everybody sleeping. Hopefully I can cut out as much where you can't hear them, but I don't know. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will be posting new Christmas looks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is from 99-cent store, if you guys were asking. This is where it's from. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Adios.